Hello, welcome to Health in the Kitchen, your favorite recipe channel. Today we will teach a delicious recipe of chicken wrap. The grilled chicken wrap can be a healthy and tasty meal, as long as it is prepared with healthy and balanced ingredients. Here are some health benefits that grilled chicken wrap can offer. Protein source. Chicken is an excellent source of protein, and when combined with vegetables in a wrap, can provide an adequate amount of protein to aid in repairing and building the body's muscles. Low fat. When chicken is grilled instead of fried, it tends to have a lower fat content, which can be beneficial to heart health. Rich in vegetables. By adding a variety of vegetables to the wrap, you increase the intake of essential vitamins and minerals, in addition to fiber, which are important for digestive health. Balanced meal option. By choosing a grilled chicken wrap with healthy ingredients, you can have a balanced and complete meal that contains protein, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and nutrients important to the body. Customizable. The grilled chicken wrap is highly customizable, which means you can add your favorite vegetables and seasonings to make it even healthier and tastier. However, it is important to remember that not all grilled chicken wraps are healthy. Some may contain processed ingredients and excess sodium, fat and calories. Therefore, it is always a good idea to check the list of ingredients and nutritional information before making your choice. Before we start with the recipe, I want to ask for your like, comment and subscription. This is very important. I want to remind you that we bring videos and shorts every day at 7:45 in the morning. Oh, before I forget, I left our ebook with 30 amazing recipes in the first link of description. There you guys will find more than 30 recipes. We put some bonuses for you. Now come on, first write down the ingredients. 2 skinless and boneless chicken breasts. 1 red pepper. 1 yellow pepper. 1 red onion. 1 zucchini. 1 carrot. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. For wraps. Lettuce picado. Yogurt sauce, being optional. Alright, with all the ingredients in hand, let's understand the preparation mode. First, cut the chicken breasts into strips and season with salt and pepper to taste. After that, cut the peppers, onion, zucchini and carrot into strips. In a frying pan, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the chicken strips and cook until they are golden and cooked through. Remove from the frying pan and set aside. In the same skillet, add the vegetables and cook for about 5 minutes or until lightly golden and cooked. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Place a wrap on your workbench. Add a stung lettuce to the center of the wrap. Add the grilled chicken strips and then add a part of the vegetables. Wrap the wrap, folding the sides inwards and winding tightly. Serve the sliced wrap with the yogurt sauce if desired. And that's it. Your grilled chicken wrap with vegetables is ready to be enjoyed. Good appetite! So, did you like the video? I hope so. If you like, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel and comment here below which recipes you'd like to see here, in case you want to know more of our ebook with more than 30 recipes. Just click on the first link of the description. Thanks for your attention, until the next.